So this time we'll take the sort of same approach that we did before. I'm just going to rearrange this underneath each other so I find that easier to compare. So here, no, they don't match up. No, they don't match up either. So here we're going to have to multiply or divide either one of the equations or both of them. Now I could make these both 15 by multiplying all of this, and that's the key, is you can do anything to an equation but you must do the same to both sides. I can multiply all of this with 3 and all of this by 5, but actually it would be much easier just to take this one here and multiply that up by 2. So let's make a copy over here and move it a little bit over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transform this equation, click on equals, and I'm going to multiply everything by 2 so I get 2y. If I multiply everything in the bracket by 2, I now get 6x plus 2y equals 22. So I've just doubled everything in this equation. So let's make a copy of that one over there, and let's make a copy of that one somewhere underneath it. Let's rearrange those so they line up. Now where are we? Well, we can see that the x's aren't the same, but the y's are the same. So we can eliminate those by doing a subtraction. So I'm going to insert a new equation below. 6x minus 5x is x. 2y minus the 2y here is 0. So I've got equals, and then 22 minus 19 is 3. So I've worked out that x is 3. Now I'm going to substitute this in one of these two equations. The easiest one is this one because it's got the least in it. So I'm going to put that one over there and remind myself that x is 3. So I'm going to substitute x is 3 into here. So I get 3 3s are 9. Now what I'm going to do is subtract 9 from both sides. And that will give me 9 minus 9 is 0. So that gives me 9 minus 9 is 0, and y equals 2. So I've got x is 3 and y is 2. And I want to check it works in both this equation and in this equation. Now, because I'm a bit tight on space here, I'm just going to move those over a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to substitute x is 3 into here, and then y is 2 into there. And I'll leave you to work out for yourself that that does in fact work. And if I substitute the x for 3 there, and then the y for 2 there, I hope you can see that that works out. So this time, neither matched up, and I could have used 15 there as the lowest common multiple, or it's much easier to use 2 and I only have to multiply one equation. Then, but when you multiply, you must remember to double everything. So it's 6x, 2y, and 22. Okay.